On 6 May 2024, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma, accompanied by government officials, had conducted an inspection of the ongoing installation of a waste segregation machine at Rongkhon Songgital in Tura. This advanced machine employs multiple sorting techniques to effectively separate organic matter, plastics, metals, bricks, stones and other materials from garbage, enhancing waste reuse and recycling efforts significantly. Speaking on the project, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the implementation of this technology aims to clear the legacy waste at the Rongkhon Songgital landfill site, paving the way for improved waste management practices in the area. This initiative represents a crucial step towards sustainable waste disposal and environmental conservation within the community, he added.
Just starting with this, तो बताइए भैया,
What is the process?
इसका प्रोसेस कैसा होता है बताइए.
सर ये यहाँ पे अभी हम लोग यहाँ से
मास्क पहन के मास्क.
सर यहाँ पे स्पेस प्रॉब्लम है जिसकी वजह से हमने अभी विंडो नहीं बनवा पाया है. विंडो कटिंग बनवाते हैं जिससे कि मटेरियल सूख जाएगा. उसमें फिर कल्चरल छिड़काव करवाते हैं. उसके बाद मटेरियल को हम ड्रेन करके वेट बजी.
So the problem of legacy waste has been there throughout the state in most of the urban areas, and we have faced a number of challenges. We have tried different technologies to handle this legacy waste, and in the whole process we have now come through and working with a technology that has already proven and has been tested, and in many parts of the country this technology is being used, where the segregation of the legacy waste is taking place. Through a selection process, a company was selected, and the same company which is doing the Martin dumping site in Shillong, the same company is going to be doing the one here in Tura, and we expect that we should get good and positive results, because as I said that the same company or organization has done it in locations like Tinsukia. I got a chance to see that particular site, which has now been completely cleaned, and all the legacy waste has gone, and we are hopeful that this process will be successful, and we'll be able to clean up this entire legacy waste out here in Tura, and we'll be able to ensure that not just here, even in other parts of the state, we're hopeful that we'll be able to take this technology and get rid of this legacy waste that has been causing kind of a nuisance and a problem for the people of this locality as well as of Tura town and the other towns as a whole. So we had tried making the energy block last time. That project was not fully successful, and hence this is a completely different technology where we will be segregating the waste into plastic waste and other kinds of waste, and also into compost, and then accordingly the company that is involved here will take this waste and use it or sell it as per the buyers who would want that particular waste. So it's not going to be converted into anything, except it will be segregated, and the company involved will then sell the segregated parts to buyers who would be interested in buying those segregated waste. So this is basically for the old or the legacy waste that is there.
Okay.
For the new waste that is being generated currently, the system will be developed where we are trying to have the segregation at the locality level itself, and those steps will be other steps. So what we are doing here and this technology that we are using is purely for legacy waste, because legacy waste is different. If you can just pan the camera, you can see how this entire waste is all mixed with the soil and the plastic and the bottles. Everything is mixed, and therefore it is requires a lot of technical aspect to actually to segregate them.